Assalamu alaikum guys. In this video we'll learn how to override non-existing key in configuration. For example, here I want to get the GitHub key from our config method using services file in config here under config folder, as we can see, and I will say services.github.api key, for example, and I will return the GitHub API key, back and refresh. Nothing exists because the GitHub API key doesn't exist in the services file here. You may say set the default value here using test, for example. Otherwise, if you want to enforce user to fill it, maybe while building a package, instead of using if doesn't exist here, for example, I throw an exception here. Instead of using if, we can keep it clean using a closure function as second parameter here, function, and I will throw the same exception here. Now let's try again, and the same result. If I back and set this value GitHub, just as an example, back and check again, now it returns the value. So here's quickly how to override the non-existing key from configuration. If you found it useful, support me by clicking on like, share, and subscribe. See you next video.